Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Maybe today it's not as interesting to talk about the gold market as on the euro currency, but sometimes the situation exists when the market doesn't show any bright setups and clear patterns, just calling some range, and it's very difficult to make an analysis, but still we need to come to some conclusion what to watch from the gold market and what's really could happen here. So you can see within the whole week market stands in the range of our grabber that has been formed right on Monday. So that was our major pattern, and currently it hasn't been totally erased. Yes, market has shown some minor spike down below these lows, but it has returned right back up and close inside of the range of this pattern. That's why mostly the situation around this grabber is still valid, and market keeps bullish chance and continue move higher here. But the strength of the markets, the potential of the upward action right now is not really very impressive. At least currently, what we see right now in the technical picture. That's why recommendations mostly as for the bulls as for the bears will be the same. Bears probably should wait for a breakout of the major level and dropping here below the lows of this grabber. So it's a more clear sign that market is continuing to move down, while the bulls maybe could rely on this pattern and the situation on the intraday charts, but all in all it looks not really very impressive. So currently guys, I don't see really some advantage of the gold market, some really attractive issues that could give the gold market an advantage among other markets, the forex market and some commodities. So it doesn't stand in the first place for trading and tracking among the other markets right now. So on the daily chart we have just some kind of the consolidation inside of the same range. So a lot of intraday sessions, and in fact the whole week stands in the range of this grabber that has been formed on Monday. And the situation has not been resolved yet, but the market will continue to move higher or it will drop. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have some kind of the rational action. Yes, our bullish pattern is still in place. So the godless triple to buy that we have talked about recently, also it's still accompanied by the bullish divergences. So first divergence has appeared here. Hidden divergence was now with these three bottoms. So also we have the bullish divergence here, markets in return up. And here we have also a bit not quite typical action, because actually when the market hits 127 extension, usually comes to the next extensions 1618, but actually market just has retested the same area and returned right back up. So maybe this some kind of the sign, maybe this is a sign of some bullish strength that just supports market at this level of 1270 and doesn't let them to move slightly lower. Maybe this is correct, but in general this probably should be treated more as a bullish sign rather than bearish. But at the same time, we haven't got clear bullish reversal pattern, so market hasn't quite formed the godless triple to godless free drive buy. That's why, guys, if you have the bearish view, I see nothing that you could do right now, because if market will show upward action, you need to wait for completion of this action before taking the short, or if overall bullish stop will fail, you need to see the breakout of these lows before taking in position, because you need to get the vanishing of the all bullish patterns that we have. For the bulls, we have some bullish signs, we have bullish patterns. Here market also has broken this wedge consolidation, but take a look, guys, at the nature of this action. So it's not really very impressive. If you would like to take the position, well, you probably could try on some retracement, maybe here or even here. Rely on this breakout of this wedge and the patterns that we have in the 4-hour time frame chart. But for me, guys, this is not really very attractive situation. It's too weak action, no signs of thrust. Yes, breakout has happened, but mostly some sense of the indecision exists on the gold market right now. Besides, guys, I'm not really very fascinating on the gold market in the long term, because if you'll just show you in two signs. So if you'll take a look at the monthly chart, take a look what we have. We have the breakout of this trend line to the upside, and market right now stands with the new trend. But take a look at the pace of this action. So that was not bad action. The breakout retested it, but this leg is much flatter than this one. Some kind of the weakness. Besides, here we've got on the monthly charts minor got this triple to sell pattern. Here some kind of the reversal action has happened, not quite reversal candle, because market hasn't closed below the lows of the previous month, but the spike up and then reversal close deep inside of the previous month range shows some kind of the weakness, and the market wasn't able to create the new top here. That's not very good sign, especially when you have the action that has started from the breakout of the long-term trend. It means that this action is rather weak, and it's really could first return back to the support line, but maybe even breakout is possible, because gold market right now is coming to the bearish cycle of the seasonal trend. So the active stage of the seasonal bullish trends is already over, and market's coming to the end of the bullish seasonal trend. The bearish seasonal trend will start in February, but it's coming because October is over mostly, and after that, gold market is coming to the stage where seasonal bullish trend turns to the bearish. That's why this overall picture that we have here, well, it's not really very bullish, let's call it in this manner. And on the daily chart, on the intraday charts, guys, right now I also do not see some really very attractive steps for trading on the gold market. That's why you could try to do it, but I think that we should wait for a better chance than something that we see right now.